Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dosa at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of raw rice and 1/2 cup of ured dal, which is split black gram. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. They add a lovely flavor and aid fermentation. Remember to soak the rice, dal, and fenugreek seeds separately for at least 4 to 6 hours. This crucial step ensures a smooth, fluffy batter. Now let's prepare the batter. After soaking, drain the water and grind the rice and dal separately, or together if your grinder is powerful enough, into a very smooth, thick consistency. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt to the batter and mix it well. The next vital step is fermentation. Cover the batter and let it sit in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours or overnight, until it doubles in volume and becomes airy. With your fermented batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick tawa or a well-seasoned cast iron griddle over medium-high heat. Once hot, lightly grease it with oil. Pour 1 ladleful of batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin, even circle. Drizzle a little oil around the edges. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown and crispy. Your delicious homemade dosas are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with your favorite accompaniments like coconut chutney, tangy sambar, or a flavorful potato curry. Any leftover batter can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making quick breakfasts easy. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.